Hey there, beautiful people. This is Mentor Shelly. I hope you're having a good Monday so far. Just wanted to drop a tidbit on you, of course. I actually have a course coming up. It's based on questions that I've been getting from high school kids that are looking for their first job and really don't know how, what to do first or how to go about it. This is one of the things I'm going to be answering in the audio series that I'll be introducing maybe later on this week, once it's once it's done recording. But there's one of maybe the 5 or 6 things that I'm going to be discussing in that audio course. So here's one of them. How do you find a job when you've never had one? One of the things you can do, and of course parents, if you agree, whether they're high school or college kids, these are things that they can actually do now. And parents, this is where I need your help as well. When I say they can tap into their network, I mean you may be able to help by asking some of your friends or colleagues if they are looking for kids to maybe cut grass or clean the yard or to help around a particular, let's say, one of your friends that are working with a supermarket or any, summer type job that may be available either through a community center or through an employer that may have a summer program going on at the time. Yes, it's summertime now, and there's some of those programs that you have to register for beforehand, but there's always opportunities. All you have to do is really ask. So this is just one of the things that I'm going to be addressing in the audio series. How do I find a job when I've never had? How to find a job when I've never had one? Whether you're a high school or a college student, definitely. If you do want to get, if you have questions in regards to that, you can also email me at mentorshelley3@gmail.com or contact me at mentorshelley.com/contact. You can leave me a voicemail at the gray tab on the right side of the screen, or you can leave me a written message in the message column there as well. But if you're looking for more direct help, you can definitely check out the resource. Set up a career strategy session with me. Yes, it may be your first job, but it may also set the precedence for your economic life if you understand what the process is. If you want more in-depth help, you can do that by going to mentorshelley.com/services/career strategy. That's all one word, career strategy. And of course, Mentor Shelly is always here to help you to become a better professional, but more so than that, to start off on the right foot. And of course, I'll be talking more about the about the audio series later on this week, and also the newsletter for July. I did not forget. Newsletter for July should be ready by Thursday of this week, so look out for that. It'll be on all the social media networks I'm attached to near you. But of course, I want to make sure that you know that I am here to help you to become a better professional. Take care, guys, and enjoy the rest of your Monday. Bye.